Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a brand new cleaning beast, the DREAME H15 Pro Heat. This is DREAME's latest all-in-one cordless vacuum mop system, and it's got some really serious heat. Literally. In full transparency, this product was sent to me for free in the purpose of making this video. Now this is not your average stick vacuum. The H15 Pro Heat comes packed with high-end features, powerful suction, real-time hot water cleaning, edge-to-edge mopping, and even a self-cleaning base. But as price tag, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. In this video, I will also be comparing to the Tyneco S7 series. Now, the whole unboxing experience was a little bit more clumsy, a little bit more clunky. It's a little bit on me, the way the box was designed. I didn't realize it's kind of sideways compared to the DREAME. It did assemble pretty similar, but straight out of the box, I did notice it just didn't feel as refined. It just didn't feel as high quality as the parts, more luxury, but it still looked great and it still boasts similar experience. So I was excited to test it and see what the differences were. So starting with the design, DREAME always nails aesthetics, and the H15 Pro Heat is no exception. It looks premium, it feels solid, and has that signature DREAME minimalism. The upright body houses two water tanks, one for clean water and one for dirty. And the brush head is wide enough for serious coverage when it comes to maneuverability. The build quality here is excellent. The roller brush uses zero tangle design and is made to hug the floor all the way to the baseboards. So let's talk about performance. The H15 Pro Heat delivers up to 22,000 PA suction power, which is more than enough for most everyday messes. Whether it's cereal, pet hair, or dust. Now Tyneco did perform similar, but I noticed it took a couple more passes since the DREAME actually has a front lip that helps drag as you're pulling it back. Anything that's on the floor to actually help suction it up. Another part where the DREAME just absolutely annihilates its competition is it can actually lay down completely flat. Which means you can get in under spaces like your sofa, TV cabinets, tables, anything like that. And until this point, I didn't actually realize how useful that would be. But what really sets it apart is the hot water cleaning. Unlike most wet dry vacs that use cold or room temperature water, this one heats your clean water up to 85 degrees Celsius, 185 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing it to break down grease, sticky messes, and dried up gunk more effectively. Again, the Tyneco did perform very similar. It took maybe one or two little passes, but did do a fantastic job as far as cleaning the floor as well. And yes, it works. I tested it on some dry coffee stains, ketchup. The H15 Pro Heat cleaned it all up with a single pass. Plus the real-time water circulation ensures you're never mopping with dirty water. The edge-to-edge design is another win here. The roller brush goes right up against your baseboards. No awkward gaps. DREAME calls this triple edge cleaning, and it's a noticeable improvement on previous models. Both vacuums do boast the edge to edge roller. The only big difference I noticed here is that the DREAME was a little bit wider, and this is the bottom of the time code, just so you can see it also goes to the edge. With the AI arm technology, DREAME achieves true triple edge cleaning, while Tyneco only offers double edge cleaning. You get multiple cleaning modes, including auto, max, and even a floor drying mode.
Suction mode, turbo mode, smart mode, powering off, smart mode, hot water mode.
The Tyneco also boasts different modes, but unfortunately I only seem to have 3, which was the auto, max, and suction, which minimalizes water usage, so your floors actually dry faster. It's perfect if you've got hardwood or laminate floors that hate moisture. The charging dock isn't just a charging dock, it's a fully automated cleaning system. After each use, you pop the vacuum back on and it automatically washes the roller brush, scrubs the inner tubes, and finishes with hot air drying, or hands-free.
Start smart soaking, self-cleaning with hot water.
Honestly, it's one of the most convenient features. No more pulling out nasty wet rollers and rinsing them by hand. And because it uses heat-assisted drying, it helps prevent bacteria, mold, or just funky smell that you get from other vacs. Where DREAME excels compared to Tyneco is the fact that it uses the hot water in its self-cleaning and continuous cleaning. You're looking at up to 72 minutes of runtime with the auto mode, which is more than enough to clean a mid to large size apartment or an entire level of your house. And the battery does charge fully in around 4 hours. And you do have about 4 hours operation time on a full charge with the Tyneco, so a very similar experience to DREAME, which is a pretty good standard that you'd want with a vacuum like this. So is the DREAME H15 Pro Heat worth it? Well, if you're someone who wants real convenience, power cleaning, and zero maintenance headaches, this thing delivers. It's especially perfect for households with kids, pets, or just high traffic floors. Sure, it's not the cheapest, but you gain a truly high-end experience. So if you are interested in the DREAME H15 Pro Heat today, we are going to be leaving a link below. You can head over there, find out some more information, or pick one up for yourself. Drop a comment on what your favorite feature was, hit that like button, share this with a friend who you think may need this in their life, and hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.